Welcome to MELAC online tutorial. Now before us is this beautiful question from conic section. Okay, and this is a year 11 maths question, further maths. Now find the equation of a circle with center -3 and -8 and radius 4, the square root of what? 6. Okay, now first of all we need to recall the equation of a circle. Now the equation of a circle is given as this, that x minus a all to the power of 2 then plus y minus b all to the power of 2 equals what? R squared. Okay, now where a and b is represented by -3 and -8 respectively, and r, which is the radius, is represented by 4√6. So all we just need to do is to plug in this value into the respective terms here, then we simplify. Okay, so here we have x minus our a is -3. So -3 times this negative will give us plus. So that will be plus 3, r is the power of 2, then plus y. Now negative, here you have a b to be represented as -8, and -8 times this minus will give us what? 8, then r is the power of 2, then equals what? Then r here is 4√6 r to the power of what? 2. So all we just need to do now is to expand, and by expanding, let's do this. Since it's just 2, this is just only applicable to 2, I mean to a degree of 2. So x raised to the power of 2 will give us what? X squared. Okay, now x times 2, I mean times 3, that is 3x, then times 2 twice. Okay, that will be plus, that will be 6x. Okay, then 3 raised to the power of 2 will now give us what? 9. Take note, this expansion trick is only meant for an expression to a degree of 2. Then plus, then follow the same thing, then y raised to the power of 2. Okay, then y times 8 is 8y, then times 2 will give us 16y. Then 8 raised to the power of 2, that will be 64. Then equals, now let's distribute 2 to the terms in the parenthesis, which is 4 and √6. Now 4 raised to the power of 2, that will be 16, then times √6 raised to the power of 2, that should give us 6 here. Okay, and 16 times 6 should give us 96. So let me just clean this and replace it with 96. Okay, so let us now rearrange. Here we have x squared, now plus y squared, then here plus 6x, now plus y, plus 16y, then let us bring out the constant together, then plus 9. Okay, 9 plus 64, that should give us 73. So 73. Now bring in 96, okay, over to the right hand side. Since it is crossing the equal sign, it becomes what? Negative. Since here it is positive, so bringing it here, it will give us what? Negative. Or better still, we subtract 96 from both sides. So here we have 96 equals what? 0. So here we have x squared plus y squared, then plus 6x plus 16y. Now 73 take away 60, 73 take away 60, 96, sorry, -23. So here you have minus 23 all equals to 0. So this is the equation of the circle. Thank you and God bless you.